Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate sales strategies with Thinkific easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate sales strategies with Thinkific, start by logging into your Thinkific account. Navigate to the admin dashboard. In the left menu, select Products. Choose the course you want to promote. Click on the Pricing tab. Here, you can set your course pricing. Decide on a pricing strategy, whether it's one-time payment or subscription. Fill in the pricing details as needed. Now, enable discounts to attract more students. Go to the Discounts tab in your course settings. Click on New Discount. Choose the type of discount you want to create. Set the percentage or fixed amount off the price. Specify when the discount starts and ends. Next, integrate upsells to maximize your sales. Head back to your course page and select Upsells. Add complementary courses or products as upsells. Make sure they are relevant to the main course. Now, set up your sales page. Go to the Design menu and select Landing Page. Customize the landing page to highlight your course's value propositions. Use engaging visuals and strong call to action buttons. Move on to your checkout settings. Navigate to Settings in the left menu and select Checkout. Customize your checkout experience to be user-friendly. Add any necessary checkout fields to capture customer information. Next, consider setting up email marketing. Connect Thinkific to your email marketing tool, like MailChimp or ConvertKit. Create a welcome email series to nurture leads. Now, implement an affiliate program if applicable. Go to the Market section and click on Affiliate. Set up the affiliate program by filling in the required details. Encourage affiliates to promote your courses for a commission. Finally, monitor your sales performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.